Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some turkey legs. So let's get toasting. I have a couple of turkey legs here. These are 1.63 pounds. They were $1.99 per pound, so $3.24. So let me open them up and I'm going to rinse them off real quick. Then I'm going to cook them in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. Those are all rinsed off and they fit perfectly in this 10-inch cast iron skillet. And I'm seasoning them with the rub by the J. Christopher Company. This has sumac in it, which is a purple Middle Eastern berry, which gives it that nice color and kind of a citrusy taste. Alright, that looks pretty good. I already seasoned the bottom side, and it's kind of light on the salt, so I'm just going to sprinkle on a little kosher salt as well. Now I'm just going to get this into my toaster oven. I'm setting my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just keep an eye on them until the internal temperature reaches about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. And I have this quick read thermometer to check the temperature with. It's been 50 minutes, so I'm going to check on these. I want these to be a minimum temperature of 175 degrees Fahrenheit. That one's 188. Let's see how this other one is here. That one's 190, so we're good. These have been resting here for a few minutes. Have a nice color on the outside. Let's slice into one and see what the inside looks like here. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Dark meat, usually pretty moist, even if you overcook it a little bit. I think that looks about right. Let's try a bite. That came out real good. Dark meat's usually moister than the white meat. Want to try some, Annie? You look a little excited there. Those cook for 50 minutes, but the cooking time will vary depending on your oven and the size of your turkey legs. But anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.